Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Polar Flow application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your iPhone and the Polar Flow application to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it, and here you should see a list of my devices, and on it you should see Polar Pacer Pro. Next to it there should be info icon. Tap on it, and here we are missing an option, but there should be an option called share system notifications. If you're missing this option like I do, close the settings for now, open the Polar Flow application. In the app, tap on more, then tap on devices, and here you should see Polar Pacer Pro. Now scroll down and find the phone notifications option. Enable this option, then sync your watch with your iPhone. To do it, press and hold the back button. Keep holding it until you see syncing on the screen, and then wait. And as you can see, we have a pop-up about the permission for notifications. Allow this permission, and once you allow it, you can close the app and go to the settings, Bluetooth, info icon. As you can see, now we have the share system notifications option. Make sure it's enabled. Once you enable this option, go back to settings, scroll down, find the Polar Flow Sync application, tap on it, and make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, open the Polar Flow application on your iPhone, go back to devices, and here find the notifications. Make sure it's enabled, and you can also select one of the modes. We have always on, training on, and training off. So select the mode you want, enable the notifications, then sync your watch with your iPhone again, and this time wait until it ends syncing. So don't close the app, because as you could see before, it just stopped syncing after I closed the app. But once it says syncing done, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch. We have the dot right here jumping around, which indicates we have the notification. To read it, press the back button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the notifications, and press the middle button. And here we have our notification. You can press middle button to open it, and here we can clear it, we can read it, and that's about all. Okay, and then let's go back to the watch face by pressing the back button. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone, on an Android, iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.